Wait, did you see this car?
Yeah, it's outside.
He was like, nice!
I'm so excited. Oh!
And it was a free car.
Dang. Wow. This is a Mola red?
Mm-hmm.
And Mola red. This is nice, bro. So this is what it feels like to be an M, bro. I didn't realize how small it was.
How small the shifter was?
It looks a lot bigger in pictures. You guys might remember this Porsche. You guys see this hood? It's white. And there's nothing wrong with that, but it's boring. You guys see this roof? It's white. And there's nothing wrong with it, but it's boring. So Sean is gonna go ahead and wrap this roof gloss black. Is that what we're doing? Gloss black? This pillar here, the main piece, this piece here. That way, from far away, it kind of has like that panel roof effect. Assuming Sean does a good job and doesn't make it look like poop.
Always a good job here with me.
It looks like you're massaging the scalp of like the head of the Porsche right now.
That's what I am doing.
You do that too, Raul, every night, don't you? To relax him?
Oh, it feels good, yeah. Feels good, yeah. No.
Because I know it's stressful right now, trying to get a new job, being a bartender in a time when bars are closed, right? He's stressed out, so you're trying to help him out with that. We got the main roof final laid down. We're working on the edges right now, trying to get a nice clean tuck all the way through. Boom, guys. Here is the final product. The hood is now completely gloss black. Oh, I keep saying hood. So what do you think, guys? The roof is now completely gloss black. It gives an illusion like as if the whole top is glass now. Nice and neat and tucked. Quick overall look of the car. So this 911 is probably one of the cleanest ones we've gotten in. Everything is white, interior's tan, gloss silver Vossen CV3 wheels. But the roof adds a nice touch of sport to the car without being too over the top. I like it. I like it a lot. Jeez, this color is crazy. This is the one we did the Rift exhaust on. You guys may remember? I really like the color. We're doing a coilover installation.
HAYWOOD'S.
What? We're doing an adjustable spring installation on this Huracan.
I bought in the wise.
Height adjustable springs, so they're kind of like coilovers where you can adjust the height.
There you go, there you go. Yeah, you can. What do you mean you can't, bro? This way is making, this is keeping it from going this way.
Oh, final rubber! Is it?
It is.
Is it really?
It is. It is, you're right. Excuse me, sir, can you please get out of my way?
Dude, it's crazy how they
Get out of my way.
Let's see how Tyler is right now. Watch how he is when he needs something from you. Like that?
Yeah.
You need this?
Yeah. Oh, okay, senor.
Deep Talks with EVS Motors.
One of my friend's hamsters got out of the cage and free fall off the second floor banister. Like, how does he just went?
Got done with the Huracan spring installation, so let me show you what the drop looks like. Man, this freaking purple just shines like crazy in the sun. So these are the Novitec height adjustable springs. Can you guys see the yellow Novitec springs? Great option if you want to be able to adjust the height of the car. So we dropped the front and the rear about 1¼ inches. It's not too crazy to where it looks slammed or anything like that, but it definitely fills up some of that wheel well gap without looking too overly done, if that makes sense. Besides just installing the springs, we also added spacers to the wheels, which is why they sit a lot more flush than factory. Keep that in mind if you have a Huracan and you decide to do this. You want to get spacers with this setup or get new wheels, which is preferred. Otherwise, your wheels will sit in way more than you see here. And here's a view from the back, just kind of give you guys an idea what the setup looks like. Definitely recommend it if you have a Huracan and you just want to lower the car a little bit without going too crazy. Definitely look into the Novitec adjustable springs. We have a Tesla Model 3 in. We are going to be installing the third Vorsteiner Volta kit. But besides just doing the Vorsteiner kit, we're also adding some extra carbon fiber add-ons to it. Now, this isn't real, but the cool thing is this will allow me to show you what real carbon fiber looks like compared to something that's more like a replica. The mini spoiler.
Spoiler on a spoiler.
Spoiler on a spoiler.
Spoiler alert. Will the trunk open properly?
Yeah. So right now we're putting tape on the front lip spoiler, just give it a nice snug fit.
Can you give me a blade? So this was on the side, right?
Yeah, you took it off?
It's just kind of hard to see. It's not symmetrical, right? What do? You make it symmetrical. That's a better spot, huh?
Alright, so we have the front lip installed. We're now going to work on this carbon fiber fog light, not fog light, turn
thing. Carbon.
moments later.
Another Tesla Model 3 that we are done with. Let me show you what it looks like. So this one came to us already with some modifications done, but I have to say that I think what we added on was the best, of course. It's like full Vorsteiner Volta kit on this one. White Model 3s with the carbon fiber kit just looks so good. It's just a nice hard contrast. Here's a front lip spoiler. We also added the carbon fiber around the bottom lights. This is not real carbon fiber. This is real carbon fiber. Hopefully you can see, or hopefully the camera can capture the difference and just how it looks. This one definitely looks a lot flatter because it's not real, whereas this one has much more of a dimensional look to it. Like, I can tell that's not real, but close up like this, it's very obvious. And of course the Volta side skirts running all the way along to the back. Aggressive Volta rear spoiler sitting on the trunk, and we even added this little rear spoiler that sits on the back window, so it's kind of cute. This monster of a diffuser. I don't think I'm ever gonna get tired of looking at this thing. What a statement it makes. So hopefully you guys like what we did with this one. If you guys want the same kit for your Tesla Model 3, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Really glad that we got this project done. Now the client can take it home, put it in his garage, and go nowhere with it because we're still on lockdown. Guys, look how many Teslas we have here. And we also have one right there too. We're so grateful for this. That's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, like this video. If you want to work in your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Shut up, yes we do. We do. We do. So hit us up.
If you keep watching, please give us $5 on our Patreon.
OnlyFans page, bro.
Oh.
Woo!